At 44 minutes to 4, an angel walked up to my door, opened the windows to my soul, told me he think that I should know there's no slowing down. That's the close gotta keep going, gotta keep going, gotta keep going, gotta keep going, gotta keep going. If there's one thing that I learned while in those county lines, it's that everything takes time. You have gotta lose your pride, you have gotta lose your mind, just to find your peace of mind. You have gotta trust the signs, everything will turn out fine. So why aren't you smiling? Why aren't you smiling? Life can get wild when you're caught in a whirlwind, lost in the whirlwind, you're chasing the wind. You gotta understand, there's really no end, there's really no beginning, there's really no real, there's really no pretending, there's really no doubt, there's really no winning, cause nothing really is and everything really isn't. You gotta keep going, you gotta keep going, you gotta keep going.
It stinks so bad. Oh my God.